Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Eddie with the Credit Hype, and today we're going to talk about three main reasons why you should start a credit repair business in 2021. So, let's go and get started. But before I continue, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and comment below because I'm going to answer all your questions about credit repair marketing, and how to get more clients for your business. So, let's go and get started. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're on my computer screen, and I want to let you know when we first started our credit repair business, one of the main factors as to why we started it before a pandemic was because we understood the market and we understood what was going to happen in the upcoming months. Now, unfortunately, it is very sad, but many people were going to lose their job. Many people were going to be affected by this, by this whole economic crisis. But at the end of the day, we wanted to help people. I wanted to create a product in a business where I could finally understand how people feel and I could help them fix their credit or financials. Now, at the time, me and my business partner, we ended up starting our company together, and we were able to help a lot of people fix their credit scores by just using basic disputing and honestly, just basic sales. It wasn't that hard in the beginning. Obviously, setting up the automations and everything like that was a little difficult, but either way, we knew what was happening because of the economic crisis in early 2020 and during March, as you guys know what that is. So, I wanted to let you know the first reason to start a credit repair business right now is because unemployment is skyrocketing, and unfortunately, many people are going to need to bounce back, and a lot of people aren't paying their bills. So, they're going to be affected because of their credit score. Their credit score is going to go down, and they're not going to be able to do the things that they needed to do with their credit. Now, this is a main factor to starting a credit repair business because you can be the one to help these people and finally make a difference in other people's lives as well as yours. So it's a great feeling as long as you're not scamming anybody and as long as you're not affecting them and taking their money away, you guys can thrive in this business. So again, as we see in the report here by the BLS.gov news release, in December, the unemployment rate was at 6.7%. Now, the number of unemployed persons was 10.7 million, and that's insane. Like, that was pre-pandemic as well. Pre-pandemic was actually at a 3.5 and 5.7 million, and during the pandemic is at a 6.7%, which doubled, and now it's at 10 million people. So as you can see, there's going to be a lot of people that are going to need help in their credit repair or credit report, and it's going to be important for you to be the one to fix their credit. And if it's not you, it's going to be someone else, like me or my partner and other credit repair companies. So if you guys really want to get into this space, now is the perfect time because 2021 is going to be a crazy year because a lot of people are going to start getting their jobs back. A lot of people are going to start finding different career paths, and they're going to need to fix their credit. So, again, guys, that's going to be reason number one to start a credit repair business because of the financial crisis. So, the second reason is going to be the profit margin in a credit repair company and how much money that you can actually make in this business. So, if you break it down in simple math, you guys can see how much money you guys can actually make if you put in the hard work. So in our company, we charge $79 down and then 79 a month. Just keep it flat, simple. We could charge way more, but again, the purpose of starting a credit repair company at the end of the day is to help as many people as you possibly can. And then at anyways, those people can send you referrals because of your pricing and because of the results that you provide. So again, that's why we don't charge like other, huge corporations that do 149 down and then 99 a month, or $200 down, 99 a month. But let me show you with the credit per cloud profit calculator how much money you guys can make visually. So let's say you charge $79 down and then 79 as a reoccurring fee, and then you get one client a day, technically 30 clients a month with a 3% cancellation rate, which is bound to happen, you guys. So the first month, if you hustle, you could be making $2,400 a month, and then in the following month after, you'll be making 4,700. And then your third month of straight getting sales, hustling with your clients, you can make $7,000. And by the fourth month, if you keep up the progress, which you should because you'll be getting referrals, affiliates, and more clientele, you could be hitting a six-figure profit by the end of the year once you start hitting that 9K. And guys, there's a lot of people that are making this amount of money in their credit repair company, and it's very easy as we're scaling ours as well. But anyone can do this. I mean, technically, if you think about it, all you really need is about 100 clients in total on a month on a plan in order to be making about $8,000 a month. So if you guys want to and put in the work, even as a side hustle, there's still very good profit margins for you if you're trying to scale your credit repair company. So that's the second reason why you should start a credit repair business for yourself or for your family. So the third reason to start a credit repair company is actually because you can automate most of the process for the credit repair business. Now, if you're someone that has a full-time job or even a part-time job and you feel like you can't start a business like this, it's actually very, very simple once you can automate most of the credit repair dispute process. Now, what we have is we use landing pages, funnels to bring in clients or leads into the funnel of our website, and then they can either sign up through a questionnaire, and we can have them go through that questionnaire, and then we receive a Zapier SMS message directly to our phone and email, letting us know that we got a new lead. So we can either call them immediately or text them or have another rep call them within the next 15 to 20 minutes because that lead is technically a hot lead once they finish the entire survey. Or, as you can see on my screen, we have a website and that landing page can have them sign up immediately and they can choose their plan and so they can go ahead and sign up when we can get their card information while we're already going through the consultation call. So that's another way to go ahead and get, uh, automate the process. And what we use to send out our dispute letters, to send out all of our client information to the creditors and the credit bureaus, we use Credit Repair Cloud. If you guys already subscribe to my channel or have watched my videos, you guys already know that we use Credit Repair Cloud in our company. And you can use any software that you want. There's Dispute Bee, there's Client Letter Generator, and there's Credit Repair Cloud, and then there's a whole variety of credit repair softwares that you can use. But again, we got hooked on Credit Repair Cloud. That's what we use, and it allows us to automate most of the credit repair process. So you could import credit reports, you could generate their credit audit with one click. Everything is honestly it's organized and it's in a simple dashboard and you can have all your clients in a CRM system. And if you know how to use Zapier, which is a if that then this tool, you could have other tools talk to each other with CRC. So that's a great way to automate most of the process. And we typically spend about 30 minutes to an hour on each client a month. So you can see the profit margin and the time that you save when you automate the process. And that would be the third reason why you should start a credit repair business because it's an easy system to automate. Hope you guys enjoyed that part. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and now you can understand why it's such a good business to start right now in 2021 if you're looking to grow and scale a credit repair business. Only because of everything that's going on. Unfortunately, a lot of people are losing their jobs. A lot of people are gonna have to bounce back, and their credit won't be in the same place. And that can be you or you and your partner to start fixing credit scores and start repairing their credit report. Now, if you guys want to learn more, go ahead and click the link in the bio. You guys can watch the free training by Daniel Rosen and find out how to start, grow, and scale your credit repair business and the same path that we took. So again, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know any of your questions. And I'm going to be posting every day on this channel. So you guys have to keep me accountable. Let me know in the comments if I don't post the next day. But trust me, I'll be posting constantly on this account. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next one.